Stolen Kingdom hardcover is officially out in the world. So today I would like to check out the reviews, see what's going on. We'll start with Barnes & Noble because, yeah, I mean, I don't ever really look there. Yeah, 2 reviews, both 5-star. Ooh. Ooh.
Did I upset you, Penny? I was just so excited.
I don't know how to find, oh wait, here it is. 1 review, sweet. Let's see if there's any reviews there. How do you find reviews on here? Oh, there's 2. Can I see them? Can I see them? I don't think I'm allowed to see them. Okay, I get it now. I understand. We looked at Apple, we looked at Barnes & Noble, we looked at Kobo. Oh, it's Kobo also. Wait, I don't think there are any. Time to look at Kindle.
59% 5-star reviews. These are so good. I love these reviews. I love all the stars, but the 5 stars are my favorite stars. Oh, there's more. Yay. What? What's this? All for fairy tale retelling, but this book is the worst. It has bad writing, no story, no plot. The main character is an obvious Mary Sue, and is very annoying. Also, can you say author insert? What? What's an author insert? What? I don't get it. What are they trying to say? I don't get it. Maybe it does throw it away. I don't get it. What does this mean? I don't understand the story. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. What are they trying to say? You just throw it away. I don't get it. What's going on? I think that's like choices. I don't get it. All right, it's garbage. Throwing it out.
I loved reading the book, couldn't put it down for even a second. I'm gonna be honest here, I haven't read a book I loved this much in so long. The pacing is done well, action and development packed from beginning to end. Never a moment where I wanted to put the book down because nothing was happening. Each scene also flowed well into the other, which made it difficult to try and stop in the midst of reading, which I never actually did. The main characters are very well crafted, lots of depth. Ari is a protagonist I can get behind in a snap, and I empathize with her easily. OMG, this book is the best. The characters are so lovable, the plot is really amazing. I am so in love with this book and Bethany's writing style. This was a massive hit. Right from the first page, I was totally and utterly engaged, not wanting to put the book down. Fun and exciting plot keeps you guessing while maintaining the charm of the original we all know and love. This story gripped me from the first page. It took me on a journey. The pacing was perfect. I can't read that one, but I assume that it's glowing. Can you say author insert? What is an author insert? Self-insertion is a literary device in which a fictional character who represents the real author of a work of fiction appears as an idealized character within that fiction. Because of my last name, maybe she thinks I'm Persian. Putting yourself in the story a bad thing. Maybe it's because she thinks I'm a princess. In all seriousness, yeah, probably did that. I mean, don't all authors kind of do that because you're sharing your own experience? Definitely can work on making it better, expanding my worldview. It's fine. This is a totally normal reaction to reviews. It's fine. In all seriousness, this is a legit problem we writers have, so try really hard to focus on the good reviews that come in and all the good things that people say about your book, and remember that your book is not for everyone.
Your book is not for everyone.
And if you can, try to find the feedback that are in those negative reviews and learn from them, because there's actually almost always something that you can gain from it and you can learn and improve in your next book, unless they're really out to get you. But in most cases, unless they're out to get you, there's usually something behind it that you can learn from and get better at in the future. Try to focus on the good reviews and remember that when bad ones come in, your book is not for everybody, but you can learn from those, okay? Okay. In all seriousness though, The Stolen Kingdom is only 4 reviews away from 100, which would be so cool to get to. So calling all the haters, get on Amazon and other vendors if you want. Leave a review for this beautiful book, and I don't even care what it says. I mean, it'd be nice if it said nice things, but an honest review is all I ask for. And help a girl get to 100 reviews. Thank you in advance. You guys are amazing. And I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this book out in the world. And the Gideon chapter in the back, I don't really think I ever have shown you here. I've shown people on Instagram, but I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of what the book looks like on the inside and all the excerpts that I've added, because I added quite a few fun things to this book. And so anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. All the links will of course be below, and I will see you in the next video. I think we should have a blooper reel. Oh my gosh, my hair almost went in that. That was close. Okay, you gotta be more careful. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous job. I can't even see you guys. I started taking a picture. I kind of look like dabbing. Ready for this? There. Oh, dang it, it already went down. Come on. Is this too snarky to put on YouTube? I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna do it.